Next, let's look at sponsors. As any racer knows, sponsors are key to allowing you to do what you do, so it's key to feature them on your site, make them happy. So we're going to go here to sponsors and click add new. And it's a really simple screen. Just enter the name of your sponsor, select their logo, uploaded these earlier. If you want, you can enter your sponsor's website. That'll link their logo to their website on the front end of your racer page. If you don't enter a website here, their logo will just show up and it won't be linked. So I'll add Monster Energy. Let's add Honda. Grab the Honda logo. I'm not going to link this one. Add Red Bull. And finally, we'll add Dunlop. Now that we have our sponsors, we need to actually display them on the site. Now, there's a few different ways we can display a sponsor on our racer page. We can actually embed them in a page. So let's go back over here to Pages. We've seen this screen in the past, and we'll click Add New. And let's add a sponsors page that lists all our sponsors. So I'll just enter sponsors as the title. And here I'm going to click this Add Post element. And from here, I'll select sponsors and insert that into our page. So now you can see that it's actually dynamically inserted the sponsor logos we just added right into our page. And that's pretty cool. We'll publish this and see what it looks like. Awesome. So Monster, Honda, Red Bull, Dunlop, just like we added. I think it would look better if these were 2 columns. So I'll just click Edit and I'll select, let's do 2 columns there. Yeah, and I like the way that looks better. So we can update our page, reload, and perfect. Any other sponsors that we could create after this would just be added to the end of this list. We can also display sponsors in our sidebar. Let's go to Appearance and then Widgets. And then let's drag the sponsor widget to our sidebar. I'm going to grab this and drag it right up to the top. Let's call it Sponsors and Partners. Missed an S. And we'll save it. Now if we go to any page in our site, not only are we listing the sponsors in the main part of the sponsors page, but every other page has the Sponsors and Partners widget that's right here. So that's a great way to keep your sponsors prominent throughout your entire website. One other thing to note here, if you hover over Monster Energy and click that, that'll take us to the Monster Energy website. Obviously, we didn't add links for the other ones, so those are not clickable. And if we go to any of these other pages, you can still see the sponsor widget is here. So that's how you add sponsors to your Racer Page website and then set them to display on pages and in widgets.